Welcome to Yair, the place to be. So today I'll be talking about two scenarios. So the first scenario is, well, let's take Rachel. Rachel is a savvy smartphone user. She buys virtually anything useful to her using her phone. She pays for groceries, her outings, hailing a ride, or she's like, well, maybe Rachel would be crawling online fashion stores in search for a fabulous outfit. And then we have scenario two, we have Dave. Let's take Dave. Dave is holding some cryptocurrency. As a short-term savings, he plans to make payments with the cryptocurrency gains in the near future for holidays and some property or anything else. One day, Dave wakes up to news that cryptocurrencies hodling has had a huge tumble on the markets, and he has lost considerable amounts of buying power. Imagine if using cryptocurrency was as easy as Rachel's mobile phone interactions and transactions, maybe as easy as me ordering my Armani makeup. And imagine if cryptocurrency was stable enough for everyday use so that Dave could retain its value long enough. This is Celo's mission. Celo's mission is to empower the 6 billion smartphone users worldwide with accessible financial tools that allow them to unlock the benefits of blockchain technology and stablecoins right from their mobile devices. No bank account or additional devices required. Celo's social payments, called the Celo protocol, combines the use of the following innovation. One, an address-based encryption protocol. So the address-based encryption protocol allows a sender to use a phone number or email address directly as a public key. So this removes the need to manage long wallet addresses. I know if some of you have been able to send cryptocurrency across the network, you've actually seen that you need this long hexadecimal code or number that you can't even master, right? So this actually removes the need to manage long wallet addresses, and it makes it possible for a user to send Celo dollars to a recipient's phone number, even though that person is not on Celo. And the second point is it has a reserve-backed stabilization protocol to minimize volatility through an elastic supply room. Together, these allow for more seamless experience using cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. And then we can go on to the third point, which is the crypto economy, a crypto economy that includes local and regional currencies, social dividends, demurrage charged currencies, and potential natural capital-backed currencies. So that is the third point when it comes to the Celo protocol. And we'll talk just a little bit about the Celo platform, right? A Celo platform is fast and efficient. That is the first thing. I think that has also been a point of interest for a lot of people looking at building on Celo. So Celo has solved the bottleneck problem, which required nodes to download loads of transaction history records before exchanging funds. Celo eliminates these requirements. Celo uses ZK SNARK cryptography for instantaneous verification on the blockchain, 5 seconds. This gives the Celo platform 17,000 times reduction in the amount of data needed to sync with the network, allowing you to easily make a payment or send Celo or CUSD within a second. So we're going to take a little bit of a look into the Celo native coin.
Celo's native asset. It's the core utility, reserve, staking, and governance asset for the Celo community. Everyone who owns Celo gets a say in how the platform evolves and grows over time. And this is the Celo dollar, the first stablecoin on the Celo platform. Its value tracks the US dollar and is built for accessibility and ease of use. Celo, alongside other crypto assets like BTC and ETH, serves as a reserve asset for stablecoins, like the Celo dollar, that run on the Celo platform. Celo has a fixed supply and a variable value related to the total value of stablecoins in circulation in the Celo ecosystem. It also plays an important role in the platform's stability mechanism, which adjusts its supply of stablecoins dynamically in order to keep their price as close to the target value as possible. This is done automatically and is publicly verifiable, eliminating the need for a central authority to make estimates on how the supply should be expanded or contracted. As demand and usage of Celo dollars grow, Celo's value may rise as the protocol buys Celo to place into the reserve. The protocol can then use this Celo to buy back Celo dollars during a contraction. In a nutshell, Celo's value depends in large part on the ongoing usage of the platform and the stablecoins over time. Additionally, Celo functions as a staking asset for Celo's proof-of-stake protocol. This means that Celo holders like Zoe can support the security and growth of the platform by staking Celo to elect validators. By voting for trustworthy and secure validators, Zoe helps to ensure transactions can run smoothly and securely on the Celo network. Zoe can also use her Celo to help shape the future of the platform by voting for new features and new stable assets, or proposing her own changes to the platform's operational or economic models. One of the first proposals voted into effect on the Celo platform helped to enable carbon offsetting, making the Celo blockchain one of the first carbon-neutral platforms. This is just one example of how a mission-aligned community like Celo can make an impact, building on the core principle of making the world a better place through innovative financial tools and technologies. What can Celo dollars do? Price volatility can be one of the main obstacles for people like Zoe who are thinking about adopting cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrencies to be practical for day-to-day use, users need to know that the value of the crypto they sent is exactly what will be received. Existing stablecoins aim to solve these problems, but some can have slow networks, usability issues, and high barriers to entry for the average user. This is where the Celo platform is different. Built specifically with ease of use and accessibility in mind, Celo dollars allow Zoe to make use of a stablecoin that is practical and cost-efficient for many day-to-day use cases, and can be accessed from the convenience of her mobile phone. Like other stablecoins, Celo dollars reduce volatility risk for everyday people like Zoe by following the price of the US dollar. But since the Celo platform is built to be mobile first, Zoe can transact with Celo dollars on any mobile phone using an application that is compatible with Celo. One example is Valora, a global payments app that allows Zoe to easily pay, send, and store Celo dollars on her mobile phone. Valora makes use of the full functionality of Celo dollars in the Celo platform, allowing Zoe to send or receive funds from anywhere in the world within seconds, securely, and with very low fees. With traditional international payments, Zoe might have to wait hours or even days as intermediaries process the transfer, incurring many fees along the way. As Celo is digital and doesn't rely on payments being manually processed, transferring funds essentially becomes borderless and instant. Zoe can send funds directly to anyone, anywhere within seconds, just by using their phone number. This works even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet. This is great for Zoe, since she needs to send funds to her mom in Mexico right away. Since Valora is a mobile app, all Zoe needs to do is download and set it up, top up her balance with the required value, and enter her mom's mobile number to be able to send the payment. Once Zoe sends the funds, her mom will get a text message letting her know that she's received a payment. Zoe's mom, who is new to using cryptocurrencies, can use the provided link to download the Valora app and claim the 100 Celo dollars that Zoe sent. Amazingly, all of this happens in a decentralized way, using smart contracts that live on the Celo platform. Celo dollars were designed to help unlock the benefits of stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, and sending money across borders is just one of the uses that Celo dollars can fulfill for Zoe and her mom quickly and directly. Alongside the Celo native asset and the family of applications built on top of the platform, Celo's ultimate goal is to innovate around the way we use money, making it borderless, easy to use, and accessible for all.